FOXO stock is showing a lot of strength within a longer term bearish trend. We have seen this intraday high of 2.22 print now. As things stand, the odds of that printing again is there, but no, not guaranteed. In terms of projections, we have even higher projections, even higher prices: 2.83, 3.64, 4.40, and more of that later on. We haven't seen any news behind this spike, you know. So as things stand right now, on based on this 4 hour chart, no matter what happens, we have this extrapolation. It's indicating that it's just validating that there has been a serious volatility expansion that has taken it to where it's currently trading at right now. So expect a contraction to happen, anytime soon, and from this session and onwards, there's a good chance this is what is going to happen. It's going to trade into the wedge that's been formed by the extrapolation of its 10 and 21 period moving averages. And after that, another expansion might occur. You can see that. And after that expansion occurs, we'll see another contraction again. However, there's no guarantee that it will turn out to be perfectly like this, but just the fact that we have seen an expansion in the volatility, expect a contraction to happen, even if it doesn't happen today, even if it doesn't happen in a subsequent session. In the subsequent session, it will highly likely. There's a very good chance that that will be what will happen. It may not be at this level. It could be up, higher, high up on the charts. If more expansion continues to occur, but expect a contraction to happen. This is what's going on right now. We haven't seen, let's see whether we haven't seen any news. I believe we haven't seen any news. Right now, there are no upper projections on this 4 hour chart. Rather, we have downward projections. We have 0.3742, 0.4918, 0.686820. All of these contrast with our projections of 2.83, 3.64, 4.40. And we have here on the before now, as of the 17th of April, we have even way much, I mean, really ambitious projections. Yeah, they actually have, it actually has our own projection of 2.83. We can see that here. Just look over here. When I go back here, you see 2.83 is there. 2.83 is there. 2.83. It goes from 1.64, 2.14, 2.57, 2.83. They will be relevant. They may be relevant if it begins to expand towards those sort of levels. They may prove to be resistances. I think this 1.64 is coming to play as well. It's probably influencing things. You never know. We had that rejection at 2.2. Yeah, you can see. Okay, it broke through that. We had that intraday high over 2.22. It broke through that, but the fact that it broke through and didn't continue may also, it may be an indication that this price was and played an influence, was influential to the projection at yeah, at 2.22. Yeah, we can. Yeah, we've seen the extrapolation. It's going to contract. No matter what, I'm going to stand on that, even if it's not at this level where it's currently at right now. And if it's not at this level, it could be below or above. That is highly likely to happen. In terms of yeah, we've seen extrapolations. We can okay. In terms of probabilities, the probability of it retesting 2.22 is there. Probability of it printing 2.8. Let's see now. 2.8 is quite high. Quite, I wouldn't say quite remote. So not going to. It's not that chance is not there. Not good. Not fantastic at all. But it's, well, you could say it's a sort of price that has actually printed of late. At least 2.62 was printed in late January. I would even say the probability of it printing again is not. Yeah, phew, I can't get more. I can't get anything there. But I'm just going to say not very wonderful, not fantastic. you know. But we can also try and see what the probability of it holding this, I mean, staying above the moving averages, or staying above or below these moving averages are. We can just quickly have a look and see what it's indicating. Let's see probability map. Let's see probability. Yeah, web trend probability. Let's see. It's taking some time to load. Yeah. Okay. So the probability of it staying below, it's indicating here, probability of it staying below 90, sorry, I mean, this 200 period moving average is actually, it's indicating it's, I think it's more than 90%. Yeah, more than 90%. So probability of it staying above its this 40 period moving average is more than 90%. And so too that of its 21 and 10 period moving averages, over 90% that it will stay above them. So this is just based on how things are right now. By the time you're watching this, things may have changed. Things may have changed by the time you're watching them. So probability of it staying below the 200 period moving average more than 90%, but it could, that may change. That may change. Given its volatile nature. Or given how volatile things are right now in this session. So we can just quickly move on to the daily chart and see what we have. On the daily chart, we have, let's see, the probability of it staying below the 200 day moving average is 41%. The probability of it staying where it is right now, just slightly above that, yeah, slightly above its 40-day moving average is 48%. Probability of it staying above, let's see now, probability of it staying above the 21-day moving average is equally 48%. Probability of it staying above, let's see, probability of it staying above, okay, let's see, sorry, I think I'm mixing things up. We have different probabilities here. Probability of it staying above the 40-day moving average looks like 48%. And okay, yeah, probability of it staying above the 10-day moving average is 78%, I think. Let's see. So, but they're also bunched up. It's hard to see. I think the probability of it staying above the 40-day moving average is 43% or there. So it's all mixed up. So we remove this indicator and find extrapolation, the daily chart and the daily extrapolation of the price. Okay, yeah. So here we are. It's the extrapolation is that strength might continue up till Thursday the 8th, Thursday 8th of May, up till 1.8. So it's extrapolating that it may close at $1.8. Okay, 1.78 by Thursday the 8th of May, and after that it will begin to retrace and might even print another 52-week low, by Thursday the 29th, and maybe attempt to then a pivot might occur from then. Pivot might occur, and then it might get into its in between its 10 and 21-day moving averages, and then again retrace to print another 52-week low. Okay, this might be a double bottom. Who knows whether, given this double bottom, we're going to see another explosion to the upside. But all of these are extrapolations. There's no guarantee that they will happen. what is likely to happen is that a contraction is surely, given what's going on right now. It's spiking from its 52-week lows. Yeah, just be careful out there. It's a low float stock, and I don't think we haven't seen any news yet. The news hasn't filtered through yet. Reverse split occurred on the 17th of April. Yeah, just be careful out there. I really doubt if it's an investment grade stock. Yeah, I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.